Yes. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Keep the calls coming. Let's talk about your own view on this particular edition of Political Views on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. You know, what are your views on the happenings in our political space? 081 38 39 7740 or 081 39 25 6742. Let's hear from you right about now. Hello. 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 Okay. Keep the calls coming, please. Network. Keep it coming on 081 38 39 7740 or 081 39 25 6742. Yes, let's hear from you now. Hello. Yes, good. Welcome back, my brother. Hello, I can hear you. Go on. Oh, Obudekwa, my brother, please call back. Let's hear from you this morning. You remember that we're also talking about the fact that the president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, will visit Enugu State to commission, Pit and Basa projects. Let's hear from you. Hello. Okay, welcome back, my brother. Gabaniru. Mm. Mm. Okay. But if you look at it properly, you will see that it is not basically about taking that glory, because if you look at it, he will always say that he will build on the legacies of the former president Buhari. You know, he will always say things like that. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Mm. 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 Hello. Hello. Okay. Network. Yeah. Please call us back. Let's have this conversation before we get to the spot. But 081 38 39 7740 or 081 39 25 6742. Let's hear from you right about now. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning. Good morning.
Welcome back, my brother. Please go on.
Yeah, I'm Adam as I come from Obasanjo.
Yeah.
Martin, I want to say something on the issue of Arsenal against the youth, especially in Nigeria.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder, is it a youth from Nigeria or a youth that was born and brought up in America or London?
Mm.
Because can I also go to for Parliament to keep in your state, okay?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Also, Vice President, you know, like that.
Mm.
Uh-huh. And also, on the capacity this Chukale Chimande, Nagan, and I'm the name of the head,
Mm.
the one that cannot be here. I didn't know who them. I didn't use that it's no two and Nigeria the way it is. So what is it to get in the well? Then I got to the joke. Nigeria is a fantastic house. Gave us all back on off the boy of honor.
Mm.
Only Nigerian all back to the center and not the American home. All back on any cabal.
Mm.
Macano, who we got upon I have on the woman, listen, only on a very good body. Money may implement and dig out the problem anyway.
Mm.
And I want to mention the end. You keep at a thing, my proper again, follow for to people on camera, at a time. The open no one they are feeling you get anything to them.
I think here question in the situation is that only well youth soku, you know, I think one of the professors who was youth soku at the time, and he oku Nigerian youth gone on a director to or when I go for that, you don't say that the old ones should leave the stage for you. The old ones are not going anywhere. You should know
Okay,
that power is not given, it is taken.
okay,
So everything that they are saying, it is the responsibility of the youth to go and take power if they want to
right,
take it. You know, so they will start by first, leading in some areas, in some sectors, you know, in the tech sector, in so many sectors where they can lead, and then these political, juggernauts or political people will see that they need them now to also operate just the way Donald Trump can now see the need for Elon Musk in the political landscape of America. So that's the way it should go. Don't you think so?
I got that in a toya to whatever I
Mm.
got them. Now, go now, the possible idea.
Okay.
But not in Nigeria, no. Now, you to get that.
Mm.
What in it, or impossible.
Okay.
Makana, when I hear like I can do.
Yes.
And some of the youth in the can office, even now have photos here. I can again, no matter how bad, instead of people to be the aware, I won't cut back or change it here and people are down. This is the problem in Nigeria. And the one that is people are in Nigeria and Ghana, we get on it.
Mm.
So the one about office, open many things.
Mm.
And when we say Ghana, what the whatever the second time, when you're not a
Mm.
if I say put that in my open my youth to get a the man I got where strong people force will be that they corrupt.
Mm.
Then the man I got in the rich side. What will be to take out the men the political folk and we put to the Harcourt. I am a corruption after that I'm more youth like yeah, it's not true. He will let you hire for the example. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for joining us again this morning. And he's citing Yahaya Bello as an example in this case. Now, when you talk about, youth having leadership at the end of the day. So a lot of people will say, what did Yahaya Bello do, in the situation? Let's hear from you now. Hello. Welcome back, my sister. Gabaniru. Yes, they talked about it, yeah. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Okay. Mm. 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 820. Okay. So, Dalo, one. Thank you so much for joining us. Dalo. Yes, it is happening and it is political views on everyone at the 103.5 FM. Let's hear from you now. What do you have to say about happenings? Hello. Yes, welcome back. When to kwonu o kaina na ihe na-ekwu ọfụma. I'm anụ nke dị mana ọ dị plenty. Okay. Mm. Mm.
Ana m egekwa
the program itself.
ọbụla n'ọka
Obulo.
nọ n'ife dị mkpata okwu ya pụtakwana ya na nna akwụ
Okay, ka le chu algi ke sa chu algi benka.
type of person that is wired what I
You feel
truth and nothing but
without fear or favor.
so sometimes might make some people uncomfortable.
Okay.
But that is the idea.
Okay.
We try to follow it.
Mm.
Then talking about para and the wood.
Okay.
If you are ever if I don't go to God, I don't go to for because somebody put out a chicken para and we can fight the other. There were all these fights on almost all states, even in Anambra State, it happened. He also fought Obama.
Yeah.
And thought that Obasanjo there, being the type of person of it will be to him and the Obama family and they remove. They try to use the state assembly to defeat it. But if they beat a local person that he was able to manage his people and the people loved him. The House of Assembly loved him and they not defeat him there. Everybody was thinking Ghana for him. So Fubara, I think that what Fubara would have done is to all these 27 House members, sending appropriation bill budget to only 3 members and the House. It's only an animal kingdom that can happen. And you see a lot of people supporting it. That is to tell you it's the reasoning of Nigerians. An average Nigerian, mostly from this southern part of Nigeria, where people support governor that present scale appropriation fees to 3 members. But I don't understand how people so other 27 members, remember they are representing constituency.
Yeah.
So their constituency is not having any input in their budget and you said it is good that Wike is doing the wrong kind. I'm not deciding Wike, but when you are having issues, when it's said that this person has been discussed and it's also declared wanted awful.
Okay.
It is only the court can decide when the matter has gone to court.
Yeah.
When two people are fighting and the case is taken to the court, it's not you, Speaker, or maybe any other person who decide. It is the court. My brother, I'm seeing in treatment in the university. Supreme Court will rubbish Barra with presentation of that budget to 3-member house. Remember, the first court of instance have said that it is an apparition for a governor to present that to 3 members. That is never done. Supreme Court will cite him, and after that, impeachment procedure will start against Barra. That's why we can say something of that nature. Something is going to happen. So let people.
Okay, so what you are saying is that
whenever it will come in good faith because they are supporting people.
Okay.
Then coming to P2P and people wanted. Hello.
Hello, I can hear you. Go on. Can you hear me? Hello. Oh, okay. We lost him. But we are now on the spot, where we'll call it a day on this particular edition of Political Views on Airborne at the 103.5 FM. Yes, before we go any further, I want to apologize for that little break in transmission. Yes, it is very important that we get to talk about the happenings on our political space, from time to time, to sort out, to also influence the polity the way it must go. You should remember that political views come your way on Airborne at the 103.5 FM Mondays, once is 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and also come your way on Saturday, 10 o'clock a.m. to 11:30 a.m. That said, I want to tell you to stick with Ebona at the 103.5 FM. A lot is coming your way on this platform. Until we meet again, I am Martin. IFEANYICHUKWU, Ekezie. Have a wonderful weekend. Guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right? Hit the subscribe button right here. You rock. Dialogue. Ah,